Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can view or customize your categories in Gmail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to change or view the categories in your Gmail, you just simply have to open your Gmail in any of your browsers. I'm opening this Chrome shortcut that I created here. Now, after opening Gmail, you can view all of your categories directly at the top of the inbox. You can see Primary here, it is one of the categories, and also Promotions here, and Social here. Actually, viewing is super easy. Now, let's get into the editing or customization part. In order to do that, you just simply have to go to your settings by clicking here. From there, go to the See All Settings button. And now, as you can see here, there are many settings. Click on this inbox setting, and from there, you will get the categories option first. You can choose which you want to set into the categories or which you don't want to set from here. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.